ご搭乗の皆様、こんにちは。今日もスターアライアンスメンバー ANA 香港行きにご搭乗いただきありがとうございます。私は機長のです。本日の飛行高度は38,000 フィートです。飛行時間は4時間20分です。到着時刻は午後12時40分です。現地の天候は曇りです。気温は摂氏30度です。皆様の安全のため、座席にお座りの際はシートベルトを常にお締めください。それではどうぞ良い旅をお続けください。ありがとうございます。Good morning, passengers from the flight deck. Captain speaking on behalf of Captain Daiso. Joining me in the flight deck and your lovely cabin crew, would like to welcome you aboard ANA Flight 859 bound for Hong Kong. Firstly, I'd like to extend my apologies for the delayed departure. This was due to departure preparation and as we were waiting for the aircraft to be towed onto the bay. We are attempting to make up as much time as possible. Flight time today is 4 hours 20 minutes and expected arrival time is 12:40 p.m. So just a slight delay for our arrival today. There is a 1 hour time difference in Hong Kong and the time is approaching 8:43 a.m. Weather conditions for arrival are 30 degrees, just mostly cloudy. Has been a little bit of rain this morning, but we expect that to improve later this afternoon. Expecting mostly smooth flying conditions in the cruise. However, in approximately 2 hours' time, just south of Naha, we do expect some light turbulence as there's thunderstorms in the area. And also we are expecting some turbulence on descent into Hong Kong. With that in mind, we do ask that whilst in your seat, you keep your seatbelt firmly fastened in case we encounter any other unexpected turbulence. If there's any major changes to the arrival time or weather conditions in Hong Kong, or any other changes to the turbulence, I will keep you informed. But until then, please sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. Once again, welcome aboard.